Hello cadets. In previous video, we studied about latitudes. Now, today we will discuss meridians of longitude. To know the position of a place, it is necessary to know something more than the latitude of that place. To find out how far east or west the places are from a given line of reference, running from North Pole to the South Pole. These lines of reference are called the meridians of longitude, and the distances between them are measured in degree of longitude. They are semicircles. These lines join at the North and South Pole. They have equal length. The meridian passing through Greenwich near London in UK is marked as 0 degree. This is called prime meridian. From it, we count 180 degree eastward as well as 180 degree westwards. The prime meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. It is, however, interesting to note that 180 degree east and 180 degree west meridians are on the same line. One can know any point on the globe very easily if he knows its latitude and longitude. The latitude and longitude cross each other and form a network, which is called grid. Grid helps us in locating places. The point at which the parallels and meridians cross each other denotes the location of that place. Longitude and time. The best means of measuring time is by the movement of the earth, the moon, and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally, it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun, the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those to the west will be behind it. The rate of difference can be calculated as follows. The earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours, which means 15 degree an hour, and 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, then the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 15 degree into 4 minutes is equal to 60 minutes. That is 1 p.m. And 15 degree west of Greenwich will be 11 a.m. Need of standard time. India is a vast country. Its longitude is 68 degree in Gujarat to 97 degree in Arunachal. There is a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local time of Dwarka in Gujarat and Dibrugarh in Assam. Thus, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. It is necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is known as the Indian Standard Time. India is located east of Greenwich at 82 degree 30 east, is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So in India, when it's 7:30 p.m., then it is 2 p.m. noon in London. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent, so they have adopted more than one standard time. For example, Russia, there are as many as 11 standard times. The earth has been divided into 24 time zones of 1 hour each. So each zone thus covers 15 degree of longitude. So this is all about longitudes and latitudes. In next video, we will start with the next chapter, motions of the earth. Thank you.